Hi, and welcome to another episode of Guitar Basics. I will be showing you how to use the arpeggio technique in this tutorial. The arpeggio technique is fairly simple. You're using only these fingers: your thumb, your index finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger. Your thumb is placed on the guitar, on the bass notes of the guitar string. Your index finger, middle finger, and ring finger are placed on the first, second, and third strings. That's what they play all the time. It's not mandatory that you do this all the time because this can change depending on your technique. But for now, just for the basics, please stick to the first, second, and third strings. I'm going to start in the chord of E and work my way up to, chromatically, up to G major. I'm going to take it to the 5th fret where the root is, and I'm going to play A up until C and end in A again. So, your thumb plays the bass notes, the 6th, 5th, and 4th string. Your index finger is placed on the 3rd string, your middle finger is placed on the 2nd string, and your ring finger is placed on the 1st string. So, it's like climbing a ladder. You go up and you come down. And it's not a good idea to skip when you're climbing up and down the ladder. So, ideally, it should sound like this. I'll show you in a video later how my fingers are being played on the strings. So here we are with my fingers positioned on the strings of the guitar using the E chord. And I'm going to show you what my fingers are doing as I'm playing the arpeggio technique. So let's just jump right into it, and let's start with E, and we're gonna go up to G major and end in E, okay? Okay, that was fairly simple. I can say that now because I've been playing this for years. But take your time. If you try to rush through this, you will eventually make mistakes, and those mistakes will become a part of your playing. And you have to go back and relearn what you've already learned. That's a time waster. So let's go down to, let's start with A. And these chords have their roots on the 5th string. So I'm not going to play the 6th string in this because the 6th string is not a part of this chord form. So let's start. Okay, that was fairly simple. If you take your time and really practice like you're supposed to, don't try to rush through it. Don't try to become the fastest person the next day. It's not worth it. Just take your time. Playing slowly is the key to playing fast because your brain processes all of this, and if you learn mistakes, like I said, it'll become a part of your playing. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and like my other videos. And wherever you are in the world, have a great day.